Hey, it's me, Lisa. That's Lisa. Lisa. And it is going to be Christmas soon. And I love Christmas so much. And on Christmas, I love to do crafts. That's right. And today, I want to make a Christmas tree. Oh, and before I do, you see that big red subscribe button underneath this video right there? Oh, well, can you please click that button for me and also give this video a thumbs up? Thank you. Now, let's start. We have these two cardboards that I think we will need to stick together. And we have lots and lots of pom-poms. I love pom-poms. There they all are. Wow, that is a lot of pom-poms. Wow, this is so cool. Hey, let's see the colors together. What do we have? Oh, we have dark green. We have, light green. And we have white. Wow, so colorful. Oh, and look, we have a silver star to put on top of the Christmas tree. And also some purple decorations. Wow, so pretty. Okay, well, let's start. And it's quite easy. All you need to do is cut out a shape similar to this. And you need to cut two of the same length. And then you will make a shape like this out of them and stick them both together. Let's start. Double-sided sellotape. That's right. So you stick it on and you peel off the other side and then pom-poms stick on so much better. Now let's start. Whoa, can you hear the sound? It is so sticky. Now I'm going to copy the picture right here. So I'm going to use dark green at the bottom, light green in the middle, and white at the top. Now, I need to organize all my little pom-poms by color. Let's start with my dark green pile. And all I'm going to do is stick them on like this. See? And go all the way around. Whoa, look at that. I'm off to a really good start. Hey, have you pressed that like button? Oh, okay, just press it down below this video. Thank you. Let's continue. Wow, and now we can move on to the light green pom-poms. Let's start. There we go, we have done all the light green and now we can move on to the white. I do not have enough pom-poms to finish my tree. What can I do? What can I do? What can I do? I got it! Look at all this tinsel on my table. How about I cut off a little bit of tinsel and put it at the top, and that will look really pretty. Do you think that's a good idea? Yeah, okay, I'm gonna do it. Press like if you think this is a good idea at the bottom of this video. Now let's cut the tinsel. Whoa, there we go. I've cut some tinsel off. Now let's see how this is going to look. Ooh, I think I can add a little bit more tinsel. There we go. Perfect. And now I think that looks really good. See? And I can still add some glitter on top. This is my glitter. Whoa, look at all my glitter. So sparkly. And I think I will add, what sparkles can I add? Oh, well, I will add some silver sparkles right on top. There we go. Perfect. My tree is quite glittery. Oh, and I think I should put some on the pom-poms too. There we go. So that's looking really pretty. It's almost like snow, right? There we go. Perfect. So where I have gaps in between the pom-poms, I am putting the baubles right there. So pretty. It's like a rainbow Christmas tree. My tree is completed. Whoa, and I have so much glitter everywhere. But I had such a good time. Now I hope you like my tree. Now can you please subscribe to my channel? That's the big red button below this video. And give this video a thumbs up, please. Now I will see you in my next video where I'm gonna have so much Christmas fun. And I have so many Christmas videos on my channel. Oh, and before I forget, let me show you my Christmas tree. Come on. Here is my Christmas tree. Do you like it? Well, some of you helped me decorate it in my other video, which you can watch on my channel. That's right, just click to see all my videos. Wow, and it is looking so pretty, just like this one. Merry Christmas from Lisa. That's Lisa. Lisa. Merry Christmas.